Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming the problem with simple tests you can perform now. Open Display Settings and check brightness at 0-100% using the slider. Also press the laptop FN plus brightness key to increase brightness manually. Connect an external monitor to check whether the laptop screen or GPU is at fault. If the external display is bright, the issue is the panel or inverter. If both displays are dim, the GPU or power delivery is likely causing the problem. Next, try software, steps that fix most brightness problems quickly and safely. Update the display driver in Device Manager or download the OEM driver for your exact model. Alternatively, roll back the driver if the issue began after an update. Disable adaptive brightness and any ambient light sensor settings in both display and power settings. Change the power plan to high performance and disable battery saver brightness limits while plugged in and on battery. If software fixes fail, proceed to hardware checks and safe repairs you can do. Power down and remove the battery and charger before opening the case to avoid damage. Reseat the LVDS or eDP display cable between screen and motherboard to fix loose connections. Inspect the inverter or LED driver board. Replace a failing CCFL inverter or LED driver if you find voltage faults. If backlight LEDs are burned or dim,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.